And we'll keep the sunshine. Can't rule out maybe a pop-up shower or two, but for the most part, I expect us to be dry. Tonight, mostly starry skies. Temperatures tumble into the 30s. Then as we go throughout the day tomorrow, lots of sunshine again. Temperatures topping off in the upper 50s and lower 60s, but breezy conditions. And I do expect again another red flag warning for Friday. We'll keep the wind gusts through the afternoon and into the evening hours, anywhere between 30 and 35 miles per hour. Tonight, I do expect that to subside. And then as we get throughout the day tomorrow, again, they start to pick back up through about lunchtime, and then we'll keep the wind gusts up to 30, even 40 miles per hour throughout tomorrow afternoon. 60 for the day today, windy and on that chilly side because of that wind. We have the fire dangers today. It's going to be a below average day. Our normal highs sit at 67. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting anywhere between 25 and 35 miles per hour. 35 overnight tonight, mostly starry skies and cold. Westerly winds about 5 to 15 miles per hour. 62 tomorrow, another below average day with that fire weather watch, and breezy again with gusts anywhere between 30 and 35 miles per hour. As we head into the weekend, 64 Saturday, 61 Sunday. We do have those late rain chances in the day Saturday. I don't expect a washout day. I expect a lot of dry time. Just something to keep in mind. And we'll have temperatures in the 60s, dry conditions on Sunday. Sunday into Monday, we'll have another cold front come in. That could bring some shower chances on Monday. The big story with that front, though, is going to be the temperatures. 53 for that high on Monday. We're starting off Tuesday and Wednesday with temperatures below freezing. Melissa